All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. We're going to speak about the Reggae Girlz. Now, Reggae Girlz have created history as the national team that has recorded the lowest ever FIFA ranking. I'm going to get into some details into that, and I'm going to also discuss just some aspects of what the girls have been through this year, and just maybe a little bit on the disrespect that they face. But most definitely, people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. As you know, we're still going on with the show. Let's get straight into it, people. We won't waste any time on this one. Let's get straight onto it. All right, so as you can see, the Reggae Girlz here, last out in their World Cup qualifiers campaign just a few weeks ago, maybe less than 2 weeks, I would say. So this is from the Gleaner, actually. JFF happy with Reggae Girlz best ever ranking. Yeah, definitely. The Jamaica Football Federation is expressing joy that the island's Reggae Girlz have received a FIFA ranking of number 42, the highest ever by the national team. According to a release Friday morning, JFF believes the achievement was possible through the efforts of the technical staff, support staff, partners, and sponsors. The JFF also credit the recent Reggae Girlz work at the CONCACAF Women's Championship in Mexico with assisting with the new ranking. This lofty ranking was achieved after their classic performance at the CONCACAF Women's Championship recently, where they qualified Jamaica for their second consecutive FIFA World Cup. The release stated, at the tournament in Mexico, qualified for the FIFA Women's World Cup, which will be played in Australia and New Zealand in July. The Reggae Girlz are currently ranking 5th in CONCACAF, but the new ranking places them ahead of Slovakia, Hungary, Slovenia, and Nigeria at world level. CONCACAF teams, the United States of America, USA, Canada, and number 1 and 7 respectively in the world. The Reggae Boyz maintain their number 62 ranking. So the Reggae Boyz actually fading actually. So the Reggae Boyz are fading. The Reggae Boyz are fading. That also looks for swift contract resolution. This is quite interesting. I never really intend to see. I just saw this, people. What is this? Senior Reggae Girlz coach Donald is open that talks to reach an agreement for a long-term service, at least for a 2023 Women's World Cup in Australia and New Zealand will commence after the holidays. Wow. So they haven't sorted out this as yet. Wow. See, there's a lot of work to be done, JFF. There's still a lot of work to be done. Donaldson hoping for a contract. Just seeing that one, people. So we'll definitely do a little bit more details on that as soon as I dig a little deeper to get more information on that one. But most definitely, I'm happy to know that the Reggae Girlz have proven themselves on time and time again, back-to-back World Cup qualification. And that is huge. That is huge, people. It doesn't matter what situation or how we look at it. That is quite huge. And I do believe that it sends a message to the JFF that, hey, we're here and we're competing and we want respect and we want to be treated right. Now, on the last day, after completing that historic achievement in Jamaica in the Women's Championship by going to the World Cup, the Reggae Girlz were withheld in the airport due to luggage issues, lack of finances by the JFF. So these are things that the Reggae Girlz face, even specifically the Reggae Boys and Girls face on a consistent basis. Now, we can give excuse for the Reggae Boys saying, hey, they don't get the necessary tools to be successful. And when you look at it, you can say, but the Reggae Girlz didn't get it as well. They don't get it as well. But separate and apart from that, the Reggae Girlz do have the Marley Foundation, the Reggae Girlz Foundation, who definitely provided a lot of support for them. So Reggae Boys don't have that, unfortunately. But all I said, I'm very much happy for the ranking. It's a good look, and it means that we are progressing specifically in the female football era. And this is now a template for the JFF to look for. They said, okay, we need to really invest into women's football. Even though Rudolph Smith came out the other day and said that they have not put female football in Jamaica on the back burner. They are working on things right now. That's what he said. So we're hoping to see these things progress. But as it stands, there is no recognized by JFF standard any female football competition taking place in Jamaica. So these are things that we have to deal with, and that is why it's important for us to really, really put things better for football in Jamaica. It's getting it's bad. It's really, really bad, and it doesn't. Well, it's bad, and it highlights incompetence in how the football is being handled in Jamaica. But when you look at other aspects, you really hope that whenever the girls are played, that they do their best despite all the factors. Now, we have seen in recent time, up to yesterday, day before yesterday, I believe, we saw where the young Reggae Girlz under 15 team just got smashed up at all levels, right across on the under 15 competition in CONCACAF. And as I said, it sends a really bad message that something is really wrong fundamentally. And it's the reality that something is wrong fundamentally. Despite all of that, we still have a ranking for the Reggae Girlz and the category Reggae Girlz, breaking historic barriers in regards to what they have done right now. So that's a good look. That's definitely a good look. And I'm hoping, really hoping that we can progress going forward. And I'm hoping that also JFF would have seen this as a landmark or a template that, hey, we need to do better. What if we really, really invest or put the right and proper infrastructure in this? What we can achieve, it can be astronomical in regards to how we can what we can do going forward. Because if we can do this with little to no resources, not even have a local league, what we can do is phenomenal if we should just put the right things in place. And I do believe that they are looking at these factors. I 100% believe so. But I won't go any further, people. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Until next time, people, guys, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Congratulations again, Reggae Girlz, ranking for the second highest ranking for the national team. Most definitely, that's a huge, huge achievement. Well done to the girls. Well done, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, people, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and I'll see you guys again. Route.